In this video, we are going to discuss about exothermic reactions. So what are exothermic reactions? Exothermic reactions are those reactions in which heat energy is released to the surrounding. So let's take an example. We are trying to dissolve sodium hydroxide NaOH pellets in water. Initial temperature of water is 28 degrees Celsius and the final temperature is 34 degrees Celsius. So we have witnessed that there is a temperature increase of 6 degrees Celsius. So what actually happens here? The energy from the reactants has been released to the surrounding. Okay, so what are the other example of exothermic reaction? So the first one is going to be condensation, second one is going to be freezing, then is neutralization reaction in which acid and base react to form salt and water. Then is combustion reaction in which fuel is burned in the presence of air. Now let's take the consideration on energy profile diagram of exothermic reaction. In exothermic reaction, as we know, heat energy from the reactant is released to the surrounding. So reactant are basically at higher energy state while products are at lower energy state. So the difference of energy between reactants and product, that is called as enthalpy of the reaction. And remember one thing, enthalpy of reaction is negative for exothermic reaction. Now what is activation energy? Activation energy is the minimum amount of energy required to kickstart a reaction is called activation energy. And activation energy would be, it is starting from the energy of reactant to the place where it actually arises. So this area is basically activation energy. Thank you so much for watching.